What should be the format of a police complaint? No specific format has been described for filing of a complaint. However, certain points should be considered. At the top of a complaint, the date and time must be mentioned at the extreme right corners. This latter helps while registering FIR and keep a track of communication with the police officials as there can be more than one complaint. The left hand side should mention to whom the police complaint is made. That can be SHO or the higher police officials as per the case. The complaint must be presented to the police officer with the view of taking action under the Criminal Procedure Code. The brief headline must be made in the complaint for the police officials to understand and determine the complaint in a nutshell. That is the subject line. Okay. It should mention the name of the complainant and the accused and the act under which the offences are made. There are 3 levels of body in the complaint. First level, it lays the detail of the incident. It should be in a simple and crisp, describing the incident that occurred with the complainant or in his knowledge. It should start with the date and time of the event, like when the complainant came in touch with the accused or the accused transacted with the complainant, etc. And then comes the second level. It contains the series of events that transpired later on. The detail should mention the wrong that has been committed, which lead to the filing of the present complaint. It is important to note that mentioning a wrong section does not violate the nature of the complaint. Third level, it mentions the prayer clause and the complete details of the complainant that includes its contact number and address. The prayer clause should clearly establish the prayer to the SHO or any other police official, stating what action you seek. The purpose of providing the details of particulars in that once the investigation starts, the complainant must be reachable so that the police officials can inform the update of the complaint or contact the complainant for any missing information in the complaint. What should be the mode of communication? After the complaint is finalized, you should take 2 copies of the complaint. The original signed copy is for the police officer while the complainant keeps the second copy. In an ideal manner, the complaint is sent to the concerned police official, as the case may be, to a SHO, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Deputy Commissioner of Police and Commissioner of Police, whosoever is the concerned person for that particular matter.